What's up everybody, welcome to my video review about the Denticore. My name is Vic, and if you're here it's because you're looking for more information about it. You want to know what it is, what it does, if it really works, then stay tuned with me that I'm gonna tell you all of that and also share with you guys a really important alert that you must know before I actually purchase this supplement. But I wasn't fast and I left the link for the official website just below in the description of my video in case you need it. So all you have to do is go to the description box and click on the link below that you will go directly to their official website where you can find all the complete information about it. But I really recommend you guys to stay with me until the end because the alerts will be available only here on this video. So folks, if you're here, it's because you have been suffering with your oral health. You know, you have been suffering with cavities in your teeth, yellow teeth, inflammation and infection in your gums and teeth, bad breath, and you don't know what to do anymore. You don't like to go to the dentist because you're gonna pass through a difficult procedure that can be painful sometimes, or take some medicines with chemical composition in the formula and you don't want to. So I'm here to bring a solution for you guys, which is the Denticore. Denticore is a dietary supplement that is completely natural. That means it has no chemical composition in the formula, only natural and organic ingredients like plant and herb extracts, vitamins, nutrients, minerals that will target the root cause of your problem. It will work in a cellular way, guys. So you know that there are two kinds of bacteria inside of our mouth, the good bacteria and the bad bacteria. The bad bacteria is responsible to bring all of the toxins inside of our mouth and create all of this damage in our teeth gum. And the good bacteria is responsible for, you know, protecting our mouth, our whole mouth from the bad bacteria. But of course, as we ingest a lot of toxins, like even in the toothpaste, our mouth is usually full of the bad bacteria. So the Denticore will boost the production of the good bacteria inside of our mouth. It will restore our oral health and then protect it from have any other damage, you know. So yes, guys, the Denticore really works in a healthy way. You don't need to worry about side effects or contradictions. It will give you a whiter teeth, a healthy gum, and healthy teeth, guys. No inflammation, no infection anymore. And also give you a fresh breath, okay? Of course, to see all of these results, you must be committed to it and take it for at least 3 months or 6 months, the complete treatment, which I recommend. Because with the 6-month treatment, you will see the lasting and effective results you're looking for. In addition to all of that, they even offer you a money-back guarantee, so you can actually test it. And if you don't see results, you just have to contact the support team and ask for a refund, and they will give 100% of your money back. So you will have nothing to lose here, guys. But just pay attention on my next alert. There is just one place you can buy the original Denticore from, and that is the official website. So it's not possible to buy in drugstores or other websites, only on their official website. So remember that to help you out, I left the link just below in the description of my video, and that is the only place you can buy the original Denticore from. Nowhere else, okay? So keep that information in mind. Guys, thank you so much for watching till here. I hope I have helped you, and see you guys around.